Welcome aboard! If you are watching this video, congratulations for you decided to learn what it takes to be a rescue officer. A rescue officer is a trained person who is committed to assisting vulnerable populations and providing rapid responses in times of disasters and crises. You are expected to monitor emergencies on a daily basis and to maintain preparedness for leading and assisting on disasters response here in the country. From humble beginnings,
During 79 AD, the eruption of Vesuvius in the ancient Roman city of Pompeii, which killed about 10,000 people, is one of the earliest recorded natural disasters. Humans exist at the same time disasters do. Although natural disasters are the result of the natural processes of the earth, there are also man-made disasters which are consequences of human activities. The notion that humans coexisted with disaster implements that disasters happen because human activities like mining, burning trees, and improper garbage disposal are all dangerous human practices which cause disasters.
hazards in the community.
As a rescue officer, you must be able to recognize and minimize hazards in the community in order to mitigate the effects of disasters. Landslides, floods, earthquakes, and other natural occurring physical phenomena, which are caused by rapid or sudden onset events, are classified as natural hazards. They are very dangerous as we cannot control them. They harm human lives and damage properties. On the other hand, human-induced hazards are hazards caused by human actions, errors, and systems such as pollution, global warming, explosions, fires, and chemical spills. They also risk human lives, but we can also prevent its further impact and minimize its damage by having a concrete hazard plan. Remember, officers, hazards are agents waiting to cause harm and damage. Mitigate these hazards and provide a safe space for everyone.
Okay.
Vulnerability and exposure to hazards.
Because you're assigned to assist people in times of disaster, you must understand the situation of every community and the likelihood of them being affected by disaster. Exposure refers to the situation and location of a certain community. Just like people and properties, they are the ones exposed and can be affected by a certain hazard. They are capable of being at risk and damage while disaster happen. For example, a chemical spill happen in a certain area. Both the person and the place will be exposed to the danger the disaster brings. Vulnerability refers to the likelihood of a certain asset to be damaged when they are exposed to hazard. And Philippines, being a developing country, has a lot of vulnerabilities like lack of preparedness and awareness, limited resources and funds, dense population, unsafe buildings and structures, and lastly, our political system, which is not able to provide the needs of the people. When a certain hazard meet with the community's vulnerabilities, these agents can escalate into a disaster which severely damages properties and the other assets within the scope of a disaster. This year, the number of active cases of COVID-19 increases by thousands every day. The exposed elements are the people or establishments who had contact or direct exposure to the infected person. The vulnerability now refers to the people who are more likely to get the disease. Those who made contact with the infected person and those who have a weak immune system. Because the country doesn't have mass testing and contact tracing, the virus spreads easily. When an undiagnosed infected person gets into contact with vulnerable people, the virus will spread, the situation will worsen, and the number of cases and deaths will go up. Not only the lives of the people are affected, but also their livelihood and our country's economy.
Rapid disaster response. When an extreme event causes a significant amount of harm to people, rescue officers must be prepared to assist in disaster response, rescue the people, clear the area, and lead the people to evacuation centers safely.
Wouldn't it be hard to rescue people when there's no electricity in town?
Don't you worry, rescue officers are equipped with emergency response kits which will help you in your response, especially when the town's electricity is down. Presenting a 24-hour long-range flashlight that will help you in every disaster response. This flashlight is helpful in search operation, for this is so bright it can be seen 3 nautical miles away. It is much safer than using candles. It is waterproof, lightweight, and durable, which is very helpful in disaster response. And on top of that, you can bring it everywhere you go. They are very handy and functional. Also, with the help of AA battery, which can power your flashlight for up to 3 years. Your work will be easier with the help of these equipments. You can use them for a long run. Rescue officers can also use flashlights for signaling. When it is dark and you are far away from each other with no other communication tools, they can use the flashlight for doing signalings, like flashing it on and off as a sign of SOS. But remember, always check the condition of your flashlight, which will be able to illuminate bright light in order to be useful and handy any time of the day. Always remember, pack additional batteries and flashlight just in case other people in the area need it. Thank you for watching this training video. We can't wait to work with you, future rescue officers. Disasters can happen anytime and anywhere, but with your help, we can lessen the damage and provide safety to the people.
Wow!